TikTok offers a massive opportunity to engage with a younger and highly active audience. The platform is perfect for showcasing your pub's unique atmosphere, your staff, your events, your food, your drinks through fun and creative videos. With TikTok's viral nature, even small businesses can reach a large number of local users, attracting new customers. With millions of users in the UK, TikTok provides access to a broad audience that loves discovering local spots through engaging content. TikTok focuses on short form videos that typically range from around 15 seconds to 3 minutes. This format caters to attention spans and encourages creativity within a limited time frame. Here's some great examples of some pubs using TikTok in 2025, such as the White Swan, who are using TikTok for a lot of comedy videos and reaching some great numbers. They're well into the millions with some of their most successful vids. The Fish Inn thrives on trends driven by music, sound bites, memes, and challenges. Their emphasis on trends creates a sense of community and encourages users to participate, which is great for the Instagram algorithm. The Bell in Nottingham uses TikTok to really showcase their casual, authentic vibe. They often showcase their employees, making it more relatable and engaging for users to follow. TikTok offers a load of creative tools and effects like filters, AR, text overlays, and editing features that allow you to create really high quality videos directly from your phone. TikTok introduces new features all the time. So let's have a look at some of the latest features of 2025. Well, the first is search. The platform's search functionality has been enhanced, offering users a more interactive way to explore content and to discover the videos that they're looking for. Like this example of searching for a pub on a Sunday. You can see that TikTok offers lots of suggestions to the user as to what kind of videos you might be looking for. Again, when we search for pub quiz, there's lots of different types of content coming up. Also, carousels have become quite popular on TikTok and are a relatively new functionality. This is where you upload a number of different images to create a multi-image post. So there's no video involved here. These are really popular with users because the scrolling functionality is actually a very popular way to engage with social media content. And finally, the hashtag PubTok is a brilliant subculture on TikTok that's thriving with specific communities like PubTok and FoodTok driving engagement through highly tailored content. So do go and check out hashtag PubTok and consider adding this hashtag to your videos so that you get featured. The chances are, if you're watching this video, then your pub probably already has a presence on Instagram. You may also have a TikTok account. At some point, you probably asked yourself, why bother with both? Why have a TikTok and an Instagram? And how are they different? Well, using both platforms will maximize your reach and allow you to engage with different types of people. TikTok is great for creating viral, fun, and creative video content, often attracting a younger, trend-focused crowd with humorous videos. Instagram, on the other hand, offers a much more polished platform where you can share a mixture of photos and videos, making it ideal for showcasing your pub's unique selling points in a much more curated way. So what are the key differences then? Well, first of all, the audience. TikTok does at the moment skew to a slightly younger audience than Instagram, and Instagram has a more broader age range. Content style, of course, so TikTok focuses on very short, trending videos, often with a humorous feel to them, whereas Instagram offers a much more polished visual, think brochure, and often more diverse content formats like photos, stories, reels. Finally, discoverability. TikTok's algorithm often helps content go viral quickly, while Instagram focuses more on engagement with your current followings and connections. Here's an example of a pub on TikTok versus a pub on Instagram. So it's the same pub. On the left-hand side, you can see the fish is using videos mainly of staff, mainly dancing in and around the pub on TikTok. Over on Instagram, which is on the right, this is a far more polished feed showcasing their food, their customers, their exterior, beautiful views from the pub, and also some of the drinks on offer at the pub as well. So it's quite a different feel, and it's very much static led on the right hand side. Here's the same pub again on TikTok on the left. You can see they're doing lots of pub quiz challenge videos. And on the right hand side, we've got Instagram, where they've got a mixture of events, festivities. It's all photo-led content showcasing their food and their events. So quite different features here. I think the one thing I would bear in mind is you definitely want to have the same profile picture on both platforms for consistency. Both platforms complement each other and can provide awareness, engagement, and customer loyalty for your pub. Using both platforms allows you to reach a broader audience. TikTok engages those slightly younger users looking for entertainment, whereas Instagram appeals to those interested in curated, high-quality content. Combining the two can enhance your overall social media strategy, helping you to reach as many people as possible online.